Mike here, fixing it with the Long Bros. In this video that I'm editing right now, Joe talks about the long port liners compared to a short port liner. We have long port liners in our 671. He says it will run better with short port liners. Well, we don't have those. Check this video out. Joe talks about it a little bit.
So I'm going to take a quick look at
out in the West Texas town of El Paso.
Look at it. This is an old block. See how the liner, the airbox port covers this line. This has got a short. Check your plugins. It's got a short airbox in it because it's old. Because it didn't have them big long ported liners in it like it's got. And see the top of the airbox hangs over the liner ports. That's the old ports in those liners. They were figure eights. They were about 3/4 of an inch tall. That's what, then they fit in that hole real good. This deal here doesn't do that. This has got long ported liners in it. Actually, I'm going to bet it would run better with short port liners in it, but we won't